inches around.
Yeah.
Not really too sure who, what, where, and why in that, but that's the only problem that I have with it.
Yeah.
It used to be
Alright, let's sneak in there. Alright, we're gonna try this out. I'm a huge fan. I'm not really a big fan of a Buffy. Nothing against them. It's just I work on too many horses that don't like them. And I don't want to take the time to train them. But also, when you're working with helpers, I think this Sandbox is a home run for feet. Getting wrasse marks out. Now, of course, the easiest thing to do is don't put wrasse marks in to begin with. And that's how this is from rasping around the foot. But I think he's got one that has a neoprene to it, but I use this one with the leather. But this beats the crap out of a sanding block. Where's your cleaner? And then if it plugs up on you, you just get one of these rubber cleaners and clean it out. But there you go. That's how I put a nice finish on without using a Sandbox or a Buffy. Well, a little bitty sanding block. I use a Sandbox by Justin Fry. Get you some. And this is too low. They'll never keep their feet on a peg, or they'll argue with you if it's too low. But for most horses, well, kneecap high on a human. I'm not so sure about you. There we go. Come on, buddy. Because if you make a nice dressing line, it's hard to not get wrasse marks back here. But if you make a nice dressing line like that, it still kind of pops in there as when you sand the top part of the hoof, the dressing line still pops. Hey. But sand the bottom third first, because if you do like I just did, and take a trip up into...
You're going to fog it up?
Yeah. Courtney really loves it when I point the camera at her, but if you do it long enough, she starts to get into it. It's hilarious.